Hi everybody, welcome. Today in this video we are going to look at how do you simplify the KYC process to automate the data from the uploaded document. There may be various use cases where you want to do the KYC validations, KYC process, like you are uploading, you are allowing, you are building a website, you are allowing your users to upload the document. The document can be passport, it may be DL, it may be Aadhaar card or something else. What do you want? You would like to extract the data from your documents via AI and then fill up the form. Let's look at it how you can leverage the power of Oracle integration to extract the data from the uploaded document and pass the data as a JSON. So, for example, you have a passport like this, and you are allowing your user to upload the document as a passport on your website, and then you would like to extract the data automatically so that the user who is adding the data does not do any mistake. The data should fetch automatically, like last name I would like to get from here, first name, the passport number, and then date of birth of the user, and then expiry date of the document. Let's look into it and see how this process can be automated using Oracle integration. So let's begin the journey here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add new integration here. Let's say extract passport information, and let's say create. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use my REST trigger connection, and let's say upload doc, continue. And let's say here extract information. I will say this is a post. I'll say configure request payload for this endpoint and receiving the response. I need the binary document, so I'll say binary, continue, and I need the JSON response. And here, what I'm going to do, I am going to add the payload which I want to receive. First name I would like to extract. I would like to extract the last name from the document. I'll say doc ID. I'll say DOB of the user, and let's say expiry, doc expiry. That is what I would like to fetch. EXPIRY, continue. All right, what is the mistake here? It's a mistake. Continue, continue, and finish. All right, now, so here, if you see this action panel, you have various OCI AI services, OCI document understanding, OCI generative AI, OCI generative AI agents RAG, OCI language, OCI speed, and OCI vision. I want to use that OCI document understanding, which is a OCI action, service, which will help you to extract the data from the document. So I'm going to leverage this. I will put it here. Let's say extract information. I'll use a pre-trained model, and I will use analyze document as a service. Continue. And here I will use the compartment in which my OIC instance resides. I will choose the type of document in from which I would like to extract the data. Let's say passport. And then I want the input source as an inline, continue, and finish. Now, when the service is being called, it will take document as a base 64. So since I am getting the reference from here, I have to convert this reference to the base 64. So here I will use a function called reference. So function name would be encode reference to base 64. I'll put it here. I'll pass here stream reference. So this function will convert the reference to the base 64, validate, and close. As the next action, I need to do the map. So here, the response of this action would be body passport fields, and here you will see all the fields. First name, which you can map here. First name, last name, you see document number, I'll say doc ID, birth date, which is DOB, and then expiry date. So I'm using this. Run, save. I will enable this as a identifier here. I'll say for now, REST API, this guy, and I will run this and I will upload the passport. I'll say this guy. Activating integration, get endpoint details. Let's wait for this to be activated. Let's say body file, choose the file from here. Let me choose the file that I have. Give me 1 minute. I'm just trying to find the file that I have. Passport 5 and let's see what happens next. Yeah, see first name Azim, last name Sheikh, doc ID, DOB, and then log expiry. So this is how you can easily extract the information from your document. So this is how you can leverage the power of OCI AI native action, and then it will reduce your development effort, meaning you don't need to create a separate connection for this API to call. That's all about this, and I hope you find this useful. Thank you. Bye-bye.